Hey guys, welcome to TV's Kitchens. My name is TV and I'm a professional IKEA kitchen installer. I started to work with IKEA kitchens in 2017 and since that I mastered every little secret about them. Over the years, I saw many people trying to install their own kitchens, but they never finished because they didn't know those little secrets that I'm going to share with you. On this channel, you'll find the easiest and most efficient ways of how to assemble an IKEA cabinet. Step-by-step kitchen installation tutorials with the smallest details. How to customize IKEA cabinets and how to install custom features in IKEA cabinets. So if you're someone who's planning on installing an IKEA kitchen, or already started but got stuck, or simply you just like carpentry videos, then you're in the right place and you better hit that subscribe button. Peace.